Today, we're going to answer one simple question. Which AI is better at real game development? ChatGPT or Gemini? To find out, I gave both of them the exact same prompt and asked them to build a Dota-style MOBA game using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No libraries, no frameworks, just raw code and game logic. Each AI had the same amount of time and the same constraints. Let's start with ChatGPT. All right, here we are inside ChatGPT. A lot of developers already use this AI for coding, so expectations are pretty high. I am pasting in the full professional prompt and starting the timer. Okay, it did not take long before ChatGPT gave us the first version. There is a decent amount of code here, which is usually a good sign. Let's run it and see what we get. All right, interesting. We have player movement. We have a top-down camera. Enemies are spawning. However, collision is not perfect. I can walk through some objects, and combat feels a bit basic. This is playable, but it clearly feels like an early prototype. So I am sending it back and asking ChatGPT to improve collisions, combat feedback, and overall game feel. Okay, this version is better. Collisions make more sense now. The player health system is clearer. Enemies feel more dangerous. This is starting to feel like an actual MOBA style game. All right, this is the final version from ChatGPT. It is not flashy, but it works. For a browser-based MOBA built in a short amount of time, this is a solid result. I am giving ChatGPT an 8 out of 10. Now let's move on to Gemini. All right, here we are in Gemini. A lot of people really like this AI, so I am curious to see how it performs under the same pressure. Same prompt, same rules, same time limit. Let's go. Okay, Gemini produced its first version pretty quickly as well. There is a lot of code here, and visually it already looks promising. Let's run it. Oh wow. The movement feels smoother. The camera feels better. Combat feedback is more noticeable. This already feels more polished than ChatGPT's first version. I am going to push it further and ask Gemini to add more features and improve enemy behavior. All right, this is the updated version. Enemies feel more aggressive. The game loop feels tighter. Overall, the experience feels smoother. This actually feels like a more complete MOBA prototype. All right, this is Gemini's final version. For a game built with the same prompt and the same limitations, this is impressive. I am giving Gemini a 9 out of 10. So let's compare the results. ChatGPT delivered a solid and functional prototype with good structure and logic. Gemini delivered a more polished experience with better game feel. Because of that, Gemini takes the win in this test. This experiment shows something important. AI is not just about writing code. It is about understanding systems, player feedback, and game design. And that difference is very easy to see when you test AIs like this. If you enjoyed this comparison, let me know which AI you want me to test next. And if you want more real-world AI experiments like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.